Confused about where to start in Forex trading? Which currency pair is best? What time should you trade from India? How much capital and which broker to choose? Don't worry, in the next 3 minutes, I'll answer all your burning questions and help you get started in the world's largest financial market. Let's first understand why Forex is the most preferred market by global traders. Start with major pairs, they are the most liquid and safest for beginners. Try trading, start with major EUR/USD. These pairs offer tight spreads, solid volume, and reliable trends. The best time to trade Forex from India? This is when the market is most volatile, perfect for scalpers and swing traders. If you are starting with $1,000, use 0.01 or 0.02 lot size. Minimum capital to begin? Just $50, thanks to high leverage in Forex. But remember, never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Use only trusted, regulated brokers. Want to master Forex in just 5 days? Join our intensive Forex or crypto trading course at the Safe Trader Academy.
The Safe Trader, an academy for stock market.